Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Hi, and welcome to RoboCraze. My name is Shiv, and today I'm very excited to talk to you about the brand new Microbit V2 Go Kit. The Microbit V2 has a lot of cool features and is very easy to learn and program. The Microbit V2 comes with an onboard Bluetooth BLE 5.0 along with a MEMS microphone and a speaker. It also has onboard touch-sensitive logo pin and an LED power indicator. It also comes with a power button so you can turn off the Microbit when not in use, and this will help you save just a little bit more power, especially useful when using batteries. The Microbit V2 also has notched connectors, so that makes connecting alligator clips very simple, and also conductive threads. The onboard antenna is also gold plated. The Microbit V2 is very easy to learn and program. You can program it using MakeCode, Scratch, C++, and Python. And what can you make on the Microbit? I'm glad you asked. There are a plethora of projects that you can make using the Microbit V2, such as a simple system where you can synchronize your voice to the LEDs on board. So if you sing, then the LEDs will be synchronized to your voice. You can even make a simple system where you can clap to make a small heart animate on the LED matrix display. You can make other things such as a selfie stick remote, so you can pair your mobile to your Microbit using Bluetooth and press a button on the Microbit to take a selfie. In addition, you can also make something like a fitness tracker by implementing a very basic step counter. You can also make an automatic night light because the onboard LEDs have a light sensing feature. You can also program basic games such as car racing, brick breaker, and many more like these. So don't miss out on the awesomeness that this board has to offer. Buy yours today and start tinkering.